So guys, leading on from the bespoke stuff, we've got these Mimi chairs. They're readily available in a range of different fabrics. We've gone for your brown and copper, your teal and blue, and then your orange coppery amber ones here on the right. We've got numerous chairs of these in stock, and I say they're available to order in a range of different fabrics. They're a really comfy chair. We've got loads of detailing on the back, a really wide deep pad, and I say they are really comfy. I'm really happy with those at Top Secret. So yeah, any more information you need guys, just pick up the phone and get in touch. Cheers.